Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be working on a tow hitch cover for my buddy out in Phoenix. Good buddy of mine named Bill. Bill, this one's for you, bud. Got the plate here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld this guy in the back. Bam, this is for the tow hitch. We'll go ahead and weld that guy in the back. And then we can go ahead and start powder coating it. So I made this little jig for it. Makes things a lot easier. This is my homemade jig I made to make these Raiders tow hitch covers. Being I make so many of them, make life a little easier. So I made this guy. Check it out. Pretty cool. Put a little bridge over the top. Boom, boom. And then welded these two guys. Get you a close up. There you go. This guy goes in here. Bam. Bam. Done. Boop. Weld this guy up. Boop. Boop. So hang tight, guys. I'm going to go ahead and sand this guy down a little bit. Get it cleaned up, the back of it and the front. Get it ready for the powder. All right, hang tight, guys. Make sure you wear your PPE when you're safety first. Safety first. Here we go. Slide that guy right in there, like so. Bam. There it is. Slide it in. There it is. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm getting ready to do some welding. I'm gonna weld this this hitch on there. See how it turns out. Check it out. I'll flip this around for you guys. Hold on. I can't flip it around, so hold tight. Bam. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this guy up right here. I'm gonna weld it on the back with the all four corners. Got it on the jig. Got it right here, the ESOP. Love this welder. It's a great welder, guys. If you ever want to get a welder, man, this thing is awesome. Check it out. The Rebel EMP 215. This thing does everything. Check it out, all digital. It's badass. If you look, it kind of bubbles up a little bit right there from the weld. So you got to take that down a little bit. That way it looks nice and smooth. All right, there we are. Man, she's ready for powder coat. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that next. Hang tight. I have a little jig set up here I made. Bam. It's genius, right? Bam, she ready for powder coat. Vote Vance for mayor. I use this little guy right here. Whatever you do, don't ever buy this piece of shit. This fucking thing eats batteries like crazy. But that's what I'm dealing with right now. Got my little powder coater. Little Eastwood. Shit works. Shit works good. Fucking shit works. Shit works good. Wow. Eastwood, baby. Shit fucking works. I'm gonna go ahead and put some powder in this guy so we can go ahead and get this thing going. Hang tight. Alright guys, again, this is just powder coat that I use right here. The powder coat store. Pretty good quality stuff. Cook at 375 for 15 minutes. She's ready. Alright guys, we're ready. We're all set. Let's do it.